Welcome back to your show, Adeshemaima. Medamase. I believe, sir, you've told a friend, and that friend also told another friend, say, hey, our people are ready. Our own Akuma Mazimbi, wonderful resource person. Brother Eric is in-house again, baby. Medase. And Brother Andrew, to say, America Bagana. Hey, America Fabagana. Mami kana alright ne fatal. Amakala na pie.
That's it.
Andrew said, "Oh, yeah, easy." They say you've taken it. Or trying on your bad.
Eric.
Eh, we see Obi to say. Yeah.
Chris Ofue or Smith or Suchiao.
Chris. Chris Ofue, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's ringing a bell.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, brother Chris. Yeah. We are grateful. Thank you for making time watching us. Just say, sure, Nanka, so Hunyami Adom. A year now want to me. Number of people watching. Yeah. It's cut across.
Countless.
Now, countless, that's the word, countless. So that is it. And really appreciate, sir, you make time to watch us. More share, more than 1 7 so bad. But then I Friday and some ho. And some ho.
I tell you.
Let me just say, and it may be a full line in time.
Right.
Now, my team from the issues now back, it tell me a lot of solutions.
Yeah.
Already, then someone call YouTube, hoya, then you said the when you're the age of, yeah. Because sometimes he activates phone lines, no, and you know, Obia call it to me, but through, and you know, I wait to me a friend, ya bibia, amana, I say, come on. But apart from that, no, Andrew,
yeah,
are some men being really sincere to their partners?
Honest answer, it will be difficult to tell because one. Don't say there are certain ties to
what I say?
Yes.
Me say, are some men really sincere to their partners?
Yeah. Inti me moya no. Nyema bi so.
All right.
Okay. And I'm just say a bed in kakra. So wait me actually from your viewpoint. Because one see no cry baako. Okay. But obia wo various dimensions to themselves. Okay. Ebi me say, how am I person who me no? And I am away who me. It's not how I'm a when I'm alone.
Wow.
What I say? And the inner person na eye me ankasa nkasa no. Onzo so no suban.
Wow.
And it's what I say. So if Obeka say some men really being sincere to their partners, but to a very large extent. No. Okay, Eric, what do you think?
Yeah.
Question maybe say, do you have anything to add or to subtract or something?
Yeah, a little to add to your kind, no.
Oh, Adimo. Yeah. I thought you were going to say mine will be different or something. All right, sweetie, go ahead.
Yes, very different.
Okay, because
well, before a baby or bubu as a cherry.
Onyonko
na me nchiro madam wadam
nyonko na me nchiro ni
suban
yeah
wa ho ye bobra na ye koye nim ni nyina enamfo ado ho be batom no be determine say o ye mma o ye pe mma o be faithful to partner and onye faithful to partner.
Okay.
And on I say yes, very careful about because when you good and truthful friend, not an nantia, we say in a way no, obey influencer. Into some men no, or more unfaithful to their partners, and it is killing their wives. It is killing their women. In fact, mitiminya issues bisa. Now oba bisa me say into Eric say ni say na mi kunu ye okwa omba oba kra no abre instead say on me beda no no man excuses and you know. All sort of things, but in
sometimes I am sure that you care.
Yes. Baku experience one baku we are no can answer. She was like, "Ontimi kra ne nikunu no entina se monk mo say namfo." But nanka aware nso de nka e se mo ye namfo. Bibia e se mutimi kan obi mfere obi. Wow, nti say mun flow mun ne sa link no a. Go say e ba endem nso a na a question mark about ho
na ni je ni ho enthusiasm ni ho aya na enye wo pose bisa because a flow in the hole.
You know
who the care said the nipa care with you
Yeah.
no anymore. Ebi otimi frel otimi say.
Yeah.
Na funo and I say the person just want to move away. Because once you can be in the relationship.
Yeah.
It could be marriage or relations that will lead into marriage.
Yeah.
But what say back ebia niema mo ya a conversation e bana mo sre no. All of a sudden na mo nyama to ana the place is quiet.
Yeah.
Now one person will want to say something but nipa no onyi so ye na wetimi ato aso.
Yeah. And also a big problem. Ubo said na ba ko na I reserve. Onya willing so obekasa. As obia wo mood sometimes or the rightful mood. In fact, obia wo that mood swing, But the American is you have to be careful. Say une mood ni mo what the bekasa another bidding common so who say no me ni nipa dete sebe me ni nipa dete nipa no watenka nti me yan fa ne say ono so ni mood is san na so ono so open up to me will I be comfortable staying with the person?
You see, because sometimes the wife will try as much as possible say Tembia she's the going type person. Ne mood and swing on can say and why nipa ho from ya na say bibi say. But o see hwe nipa nim class o hu o bisa na sam class on tape papa. I mean something na ya hofuno Andrew. Ya hofuno na say it's the real person that is coming out.
I keep saying this. Know your partner.
Know your partner.
Yes. Before mo ware no. Na e komo ben na mobo. Marriage no a lifelong relationship. Okay? Inti nipa no, and I keep saying say enye relationship bia na wo say wi aware.
Great.
O dey say. Inti who study nipa no, who study nipa no, now who say nipa no. Oyo bia two things, love, friendship. Anything.
So the love should be there.
Yes.
Wanting to be with you, wanting to see you, and then the friendship will also hold it.
In fact, the first thing is the friendship. What does it?
Yeah.
Once the love, no, I'm for various definitions of love, no. But friendship, no, the basic thing that will actually bind you two together. Because time, ebia, I say, oh, and then, ubisa say, oh, me domi kuno, ebia. At the betchino, BBA Sintino, Ubtan say, hey, it's what Doyana Dokuna, own to Mumbai Papa. Nanko Fana, a woman, one son, or Don Obano. It's one thing that's going to actually sustain relationship. No, it's I'm saying, say, Nipano are done for. Undi Sena, Mukomo Bo, Nipano, Odia, Oka Sem Chena. What does the person do to the Incomona as information on their man? Or you'll be Oka Sem Chena, Neda Bontiana. Odia say. Me say some kasem chiro na de ntia me kasem na chiro no wan fa anye sa pepe na me hu say we ya fufura na say wa me kan chiro bi then in common na say eso tia no meanwhile na me say oh me say so bo afa ya me bo wo de ma me eno no na say we are both partners in this whole situation asema me say betumi me wa ka ai betumi atena yemu no anta yemu me me ka say fe yemu fa nya adwuma ne o ka say me fa nya adwuma fa nya adwuma a man bono and a relationship no heading.
Like you're saying, there are a lot of issues. Platform be anywhere. Ubetimi akwaka wasem. Yami Adom Ahomaso 17 solid years and counting. In fact, anka if they walk near my yeka, if you tell them no say more faswa, anka me should say relationship, marriage, any family issues, ebeba. But sometimes they take things for granted. Yeah, the mamu free na be sia ko baabi na kwa kotua hoka asem no so ntia se enti ya momma Odo Ahomaso ensem na ye ka no enso jese enso mu na be boa mo yie papa eno nti ubetumi afra yen sesi a e wo 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 and I say 0302211704. Miss stress on my television volume no abafom na afi wa frɛ ɛde na edi wunya ɛde na ejojo wo ɛde na akɔ ekoda na bibisa ye sɛ anyam bia no it may be yeah omo ye sincere omo don emu ye and Andrew can say ewu mienu o ono kwa wo ho a e wo de ote ono wo ho so e wo de oye ananyesa.
Yeah.
We are ready for the calls, so keep the calls coming. So wait me call my Instagram page. Maybe I know a comment to be sweetheart. Just bring it, and I'm just going to read them for you. Why? It's because of you that we are here. I got 2 messages. Be ewa. Hey Genesis, ewa China. I said good morning, good morning. I know China, but now it's morning.
Hi Genesis.
Yeah, hi Genesis. We love you more. Mwah. Nana yao. Hello. Hello. Nana yao. Hi, sweetie. Kumasi to say. Good evening, medase. Or say chrome to say. Yadamasio, yet you.
But you're saying, many about
You.
But 10 years has been now back my home. And never near wedding by I
Well, why and what dear, fear what dear? That's what worry no. Since so can say, many may she's your wife. Won't me accept it. To where you are some now, okay?
May not be 10 years as a new madam. All of a sudden, my home say, or a lesbian.
Really?
Yeah. And I have evidence that
So tell me the evidence. And Kambabi says, how did you know for 10 years? I mean, who had them here?
I just found out was me find the phone. And me share the messages me be our year now. And I find only that particular journal on the fan. My who get again one is only stay away from again. But my continue because if you see I'm because it means you already buy one if you are which may be buy one of them.
Nane.
Yeah. My me moment but
What's the messages ni bi ni dey?
Oh, messages ni dey me messages na me hunu. Oh, like anything messages in there pictures me will be a me juma.
Okay. Nya one na say.
David me no me say tell me ba fia. Oh, maintain. Oh, but as soon as I made me come.
No, I pay partner be show.
Money buy one na. Particular buy one na. Omo nam. That particular girl is wrong.
What does a friend a girl? Listen, one can say confidence. You don't believe in yourself. When you are bad at snide and one day, and how can say, me here, I'm in my wife for 10 years.
No, what's an American?
Now, why not?
Now,
why not? Seven Oka.
Get on me, yes, I'm American.
And to get now, no way, it's also we are lesbians, you know. Get on the Moasa, and I can know where that's okay.
David.
What?
I'm like me.
Hey, Nana, oh, it's what confusing patch. Oh, and to say, who croon or you didn't me. Na me many or baby e wa grobi dia. Enye me na wona na mbeka sasa me yire. Ade a wo ye me ne nyemo. Na mo girl no mo asa na woka.
Menina ka.
Woni wana ka, wo yire na na asa wan.
Me yeno menina tnase. Ya ka mpanifu ka. O timi nya ba woni ya na de.
Ene jane. Ana usro. Ohu ne so bada ohu. Said the woka na no credit for 10 years. Edi ya na ope. Ne also message ya say what the phone so no won't mean can back or cry nkyere me Emma obi anso ante na wo attack you obi and sometimes wo kwa wo mfre no ne nkasa wo meye hu why adwuma saa na obi abehye ho nya saa
oh dabi enye say my adwuma saa to na make no like fata me Because like at you.
And I may say, well, say one I will go one now, my own yadie. Akuma yadie mojabro so one after my say I am papa. So I worry about if you do and one dear. Now odi a magro. Ah, what counts on our council friend in penny for name when still on ya. I don't know when you're a manenko. Now when you're freedom. And two bets somewhere. Ah, suppose say you are doing. And yes, I want to work on so when our company for any account on ya. It's no so because who super way wenty. Oh yeah, friends, American prostitute. Oh yeah, lesbianism. My can't also jai and your corner and your banner and co. So person your banner warrior and then corner me the jam and me management. And I say, Tia, oh by son we general. Hello, Abdul. Salam alaikum. So sorry. Oh, hello, Abdul. Oh, so sorry, Abdul. Why? Now you never ask me. Do you know it's serious?
What I think you can say Obama bisexual. Yeah. Because for a lesbian, lesbian would not be attracted to you, the man.
Oh,
on to win on that, and on. Okay, so she's both attracted to Ono Bemano at the same time or Bano more. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, maybe difficulty with this man, unfortunately. So only obi etu anamobi. Now who say be amphithiasier and ama ebutaya nesi mweniso. The person is just not prepared to follow through.
It just didn't take time to know each other properly. Yeah. Hello, Abdul. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
To yayi na go day. Abdul fache and say mema ujina so eche kajiko. To na go day. Na go day. Abdul na ufrefi he. Tepa to. Eba cho etio. Me pa cho. Nyame ye kesi etio. Takrazi yo yatse. Me pa cho kasa etio. Ma woni do kakra ma yen ai.
Me kwacho mini obi o ya hyehyɛ dɛ yɛbɔ wɔro. Ba one lady bi only amana ke ba odine mo hyehyɛ. Tu me mo hyehyɛ ma ba mi banina ne yɛrɛ ne baby bia. Me be da juju.
Me pa cho saka wa asam ni biom. Ababa wa na woni ne hyehyɛ ho atwompra no. Ena apesa woni ne da emra wo ware no na wo ya atem se woni ne beda na obai ma na adwojo ena nyamia na ye usa Abdul Allahu akbar. Now okay, what Adom TV say yes sir? When na train plan for how many months?
2 years.
2 years. And how many times you try ukoti ajo? Hello. Me but how many times why attempt? So no girlfriend ever da now ukoti no I 6:30. 3 months now a shall see by. And wouldn't not da before. Wouldn't dada. 1 year 7 months ni wouldn't not da sa me wa. Now what doctor?
No. I problem me who say problem
now be ma wo person you bada. And yes me cancer na say me ni age say worry na woni ne eda no me ne nye ho sa because me say she dross and I want she dross la gusu die. Enti enti wonyi ni say wo she dross wo ja ni die na ukoye ne ho ade yi a e be papa. But go to hospital too. What you say? Go hospital na doctor and so ensure. But mon try as much as possible. Man ferry just go to say they will me catch me and very soon me ba open up great hospital. Emma say me ankasa make money about time here. Oh, na privately mo kwa ko doctors no ne nurses no sex therapists na aye ne mama na aye kama. But just go and see the doctor first. And na femi ne no man so miss remo. Emergency mo sham ho. Me nya why your dross ni kan. Oh, abrantie is oyare o. Ebi fashion bi na aka ne ho saa na say I ni mu saa na yes ade no it me pa mo chow woni oba nam it doesn't matter number of months or years you be with the person so onye so oye so na mo de mu di ko saa Yankopon aye Allah say we Abdul hello sweetie me ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso. Okay, so let's discuss these two issues and then we keep on going.
Quick one. I think second Abdul, he's talking about two women. Okay, now background or now madam for our name say only way and will feel some kind of attraction towards. And I went to be for some time.
Yeah.
Into a whole floor asset in. That's how I see it. A whole asset in the ones and not dream towards the other person no more, but when to me, I can't say.
Fine, but all kind or kind or say not down for no. Em say ne girlfriend not down for no him say or not down for no but on no then who which a lot of ladies do this. Some guys also do it. Say this man at time Pastor Andrew wouldn't say Eric girlfriend ni. Now so person would no. Na say be man be any answer no. Because we share say Andrew ni tin tie. Na Eric is medium size, you know, Cocoy, Coco did it free. Yeah. So, Saturday and yet. Oh, Emma, and no, maybe Diana wouldn't say, why Jimmy Coon, my dear, can make my husband to you, why Jimmy, I mean, Munyai, Sasuban and yet. Or Pel Pa, and Guamepel. Yeah. Guamepel. It's a shame. A man and wears Sardian, and yet crack, and yet. Madam for crew now dinachi, madam for boyfriend now dinachi, madam for girlfriend now dinachi. But Eric. Yeah,
but it said they are now Andrew Ekano. It has to do with Nadrin. They say an attraction if he the real girl so and now come baby for into the only thing you met me a catcher and say obe psychic Nadrin, not obe cattis a link from the girlfriend and Adam for no.
Sorry for that you don't. Yeah, we don't want to cut. You know, because we are the body.
Yeah, shame because your page na be man so.
You know,
the shame. Yeah. Of course.
And I so good when you say.
Not for be man so na say girl so.
Be man no. Na say girl no so episode no she show. Now you don't make it happen. And I say you cut off all sides.
Yeah.
You don't mean already. Little bit don't mean already. But also so judging so she will feel say oh I mean a kwenda ho. We get in the world, we talk about show, so no side chick. Or not I say, or to give Nasi. The side chick, they are way free.
It's a side chick and main chick, and who enjoys more?
Oh, side chick enjoy more. Side chick enjoy more.
Sound?
Of course, yes. Because side chick, when you say the end of the year, it's about in the film you have a gusu.
Yeah.
Action.
To say about a beer, chick about 6, never 5:45. I say, Charlie, that was so.
Oh, some why week?
The way bad, that's why we don't pay attention. Oh, yeah, man, oh, yeah, man, exactly.
Why week?
Yeah. In the car, and yes, I you.
On Yari, not drink. I drink where psychological.
But it's important, so gonna go home, doctor.
Yeah, you need to.
Yeah,
you need to be talked to.
I'll go home, doctor. No.
Yeah, it's a bold step you need to make. Person you'll be at now.
All right.
And these things happen.
Yo, you never man so friend. Sweetheart, you can let the calls come in. They are ordinary acting for 10 years. I want to be bold as a man to speak. I don't know cancer lesbianism most. I don't know.
Only concrete evidence because you be no content of the messages in the crowd to me can be because in who the content of the messages now. And I bet me will say a real say or a lesbian but if a real say a lesbian or a bisexual idea. Ono timene be mada.
E ma be ho sa o.
Yeah.
Sa oni omo.
Nti eno ne sa no on sada e ma be ma na attention more. Because onya satisfaction nso e wo oba ne ho.
Moreover nso one ne nte.
One ne nso nsa nte.
Okọ no aba.
Nti most of the time no one ne partner no ne sex ne lesbian partner no and eta Asia.
But let's advise our beautiful women.
Exactly.
Is it good? I mean,
but yes. Honestly, no offense to anybody.
Yeah.
But if I come minim say me chi. They say bema ne bema oba ni oba. So we are there we na say ukunu and I say yeah oyere. What evidence no? If for some reason don't doing can change or
yeah.
But obet me send a message no. No, so evidence is you're into this kind of a year. nothing stops him.
Yeah, me catch any.
It's a complete put off.
Yeah.
Nothing stops him from saying, say, okay, yeah, so bet me after me ba. Me ban we to come to me cry my for me to me after me ba no. Yenjai. Period.
And I just be open and let your husband know or your wife know, say, Charlie, me dear, but in Pema Gramaniji home. So that's not as possible to give it to me. Mammy home Tommy, na oh.
No,
but you can't about your problem.
No, no,
ebia or neighbor man no problem in tia. Whatever she's looking for. Onya free bema no wan ti oba no she feels more attracted to the other A no. Omo me aka wasem. You need to talk. I don't know why a partners into me in pay one casem because whatever happens, no woman na mote our anymore.
Now what can they have for so many years?
On say also you just found
out. Onye or sofuaka onye man penifaka onye. Let's go.
After how many years?
After 10 years.
After 10 years.
And you will not die. Because they say, no, obenya kumayadio. What I say? Oh, you're productive in anything. Also on the past, any pana one or drain. Oh, you move. Oh, you she. Now what's a ho?
I don't see any baby.
Hey.
Oh.
We are picking call 0302 211 701. 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and our face 0302 211 704. Making kind messages here kakra about on Instagram page, but I know interested when to me and Fred, you can just call in, right? Genesis says good morning from China. Ni hao yadase. Yeah, Miss Manson says now is it on Fridays? Oh, sweetheart. Odo Ahomaso is Thursdays and Fridays. Thursdays, we start at 11:30 p.m. and we close at 1. And on Fridays, it's 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. So, sweetie, we are on. Hello. Hello, Dilali.
Yes.
Medekuku efonama.
My phone.
Ayo akpe. Dilali, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Koforidua.
Medase. So go ahead, Dilali.
Okay. But you Obama
Good. Yeah.
Anna, me call my friend. Phone so kete. And he say only feel or she'll be there.
Hey, just a dear scope pa, and I would who say only fear no shed will be them. Cause where?
My friend Biano fear me one. Oh, it's me bisano at on so.
I see.
On the what TV?
Oh, my TV volume no embra look affecting my son, sweetheart. The echoing is great. Aha, Delali.
Yes.
What's say Ofre were you right? And our girlfriend.
I'm saying a girl.
Oh, girlfriend.
And a girl.
I think it. How are you?
Delali, me ba to you and a girlfriend.
Yeah, and a girl.
Okay, your courtship.
Okay, so you're in a relationship, right?
Yes, madam.
And say our girl. And our friend who say or she obi dem. And I could see a then buy.
Anna, me confront it no. I know catch friends.
I got it laugh.
Oh, so anasa was right. And you serious issue, my own.
It's very, very serious.
So then stop laughing. This is a serious issue.
Okay.
Yes, because you're in that relationship so that maybe God helps you to turn into marriage. And no, I shall be there. Meaning the only one shall be there. But just go ahead. You explaining. We are here listening to you.
I don't catch him say, "Nema men are sumana baby."
Oh, okay.
It's you know.
Okay.
But me who so she'll be there.
Nah,
I'm catching so okay, matter. It's later on my train kakrano. I'm the same friend back. One answer. I'm say okay. Bible say koso boom no baby you won't be son of it. It's my friend constantly. My friend several times. My friend often time or answer. It will not answer a pay. I don't catch every say. I feel now. O fini paneho. In you know. Or do fear or best friend. I know share I can't say. You when a man patch or be cool. What can the air mister and I may hang it.
But Delali. Fine, yeah, accept to say or Kobe or show be them. I don't know what you say, a Bema.
Later on, no, we do you now, may sign confronting you. I don't catch him and say, I know Bema. But no one way me a day who show Bema Deman. I may change so or Ba me or Damakuma Swa, may worry any day. Me want again a prompt me.
Okay.
Say, me friend.
Okay.
Delali.
Well, or girlfriend, we see yours girlfriend. You hoping, sir, is going to be marriage? Nah, Say, what call worry in a dear. Say, come over in a dear, and I hope I didn't want to run to. But say, worry, do you still want to go in for her?
Okay. I'll catch her with a man a time kakra. They say, face do guy, no. And I say, she felt something for the guy.
So how you
know, me man a time kakra. Now he will come back to me.
So how long can you wait? Say what can't you say man a time? On a guy back on back, whether you like it or not, on any bed so many things to go on. A bit in crack washing senior mano, iron, and near Diana. I'm an asa da hot mana a buy, I'm an edgy. What I say? Okay, it is a wolf also bit in here. And you're trying. That's a one to media. Giant, Najan wants some cracker. Oh, aside and they see that Benny.
1 week.
1 week. So like that's so that's why you are talking about it. But for me, there's such a lady, what kind of gospel truth at show? As I catch you say, can you please give me some please you can go. Give me some time and be with this man.
Yeah.
All right. Ube to me a train. To me a go. Exactly. She's not the only woman. You see, this is why you guys are not able to stand. This is why some women are not able to stand because what the lali, what the girl. And I will feel say na tupe buo okay ma. Ben ya no abehwe. Atupe buo yesua. Empemu agro yesua. Suban na wasa wo hwe. What you say? So can I say sweet I'm sorry. Obesu wi asimusu nyina de acha na kra a guy na di no wonso adi no. Ono in her mind no way which one she wants and likes. And so also we kra now the channel. Obekoma as a guy na di no. And 1 week you cannot stand, just let go. If some person to me communicate to block her line, and that is it.
Past 3 days, you no buy.
And I also do no.
Oh, Debbie.
Oh,
I don't catch her and say she's done with the guy to offer me chewa. She can't compare me to any other man.
Monka nam koya health check. Namu for HIV. Namu koya general health check. Namu say on got TB for your mind because I'm not sure they even protect themselves. That's our hepatitis B. When you be, our hepatitis B. When you be oh, and the kissing, poor kissing, no. Anyone no. One finger no. One finger na nyane hwe.
The catch and say, if I don't hepatitis B, cry, it because kissing and guano, I'm feeling several danger with here.
Mate, may I say, well, say you don't want to let her go. I don't know why. Is that for the flowers and so dear?
Is that no.
Papa. What's it there? There was this caca on home.
I love her, pa. Seriously.
You don't love her. Once I said, why are you? Say over tit for tat when you see her. And two first all you in the sucker crowd.
Says no, only.
But me for Harrison here discussing. Hello, Harrison.
Come on.
Me that say, sweetheart. Now for him.
Careful don't walk from my family.
Wow. Bibi, are you okay? What there?
That's right.
Then say, what? Then easy. Oh.
Yeah, easy.
What then easy? So when you're so careful, one more in you now. When you're careful, yes, sir. Unwanted pregnancies in your maybe papa. All right. I found place for a chiamo. Harrison, you too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
My fellow dress on the party.
Why are they?
My fellow dress on the party.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whoa, is it the sneakers or, you know?
Zimbigenic.
Which one is that? Is it this one or which one? And I mean, some coming on to so, you know.
Oh, this is from head to toe.
That's it, CD. Thank you.
Yeah. The whole time of the character, program a very, very educated part.
That's it.
The doctor about the first time I'm now.
Really? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Who near Bearman and a girlfriend will be a code didn't know no so or man a crime come was not quaba.
Oh.
So what did you come?
On this serious. On this serious.
Oh, sir.
You will win them. Oh, this I get it. So when you are 40, they don't have 40.
What did my miss up here?
I said, we not do more that one. Oh, my cat was not much.
Or sit my requirement about a
because
okay, it's you. It's you.
Oh, maybe the problem I come one is the better is where no that more repeat now. I almost indicating what they repeat. If you are now on like that, but
okay, normally no. Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV no. The no Thursdays no. You repeat it on Saturdays. From 12 midnight to 2 a.m. Oh, baby, say one by starting 12:30 to 2 a.m. 1 a.m. also, yeah, 2 a.m. that kind of thing. Yeah, and so sorry. Me pa chonti ya fa two teams say Saturday shows ne there. Na playbacks. Okay. Harrison, we are so grateful.
There were issues before that. My was at the Sunday.
Okay, now who am WhatsApp line now?
Yeah, my WhatsApp line.
And I know the notes account. This is Harrison.
That's it.
Insurance, so sweetheart. In fact, Odo Ahomaso, a lot of people are learning, and others are not also learning. But this very young guy, I didn't even ask of his age. I'm not even sure he's 30. So they're done a pan on those things, you know. You guys are there. You pass through the mill. Well, give them empowerment. Tell them.
Is it?
And I didn't know the BT, you know.
Well, who say? Guy no
because so say dream oba ne ho
yes say no oba na enya na weak point we who say she's the only one she's the only one and when you said you be kan share ni bia na so no betie wonne oba owo sa adwin we nam mo relationship mo worry you relationship mu na otimi bie na no e ka cho so mi hu be ma no me ni je ne ho nti o de
onya feeling
bi ma no nti o de ma me mre na me ne ensettle ne ma na be ma wo adwene mu da ho o say you about you
then go on productive o she so say o be no kia ni o de bible quotation gwa kan ho enti o friend no
no mu bieja ọmọ yìí ọmọ di ọmọ gidigidi nti na no wọn fa no nti ọfa wie ye no ọmọ wie ya ise kura na afi na ọpepa no sa ọno no mu di wie na mo pepa bo wase hu sa rag no nti ana duster na ever no hu
na o se bi won so wie na de ye pa na o ko san de warm water bi fa won na hash
na settle
so hu nti for you know no na sa time na ho no wo mo adu nti on pay disturbances owie ye na fi no oyiso adwen kese wo so ba oba say ye nware do onya na adwen so no be bobra na obe waste time owe hu a oba yare say dia me bra ne kan no oni 40 ahwa 40 no onu because I am bedding
yo
em say after matter accident no o kasaro no o sre no because me nika what I say me no the thing is this oba so ubema oba ne hu say onu kwa na wajin wono so
Andrew be say
no me mean say no you see a man pe mema you say oh I mean okay Jonathan a maybe but a man in general
yeah
okay on pe bema you say o se tsanga komra oba na oto na atwen no what I say want to mean take initiatives on your own what I say so ka say e bia odo no okay no say 100% just oye so obo ape una oni bibi kitu e bia no kasa ho sa o friend ba ko no amfa o friend ba bia so friend 100 times o kasa ho no to ba pe ka kire say bia o share guy bi na onya feeling bi man nti
o say ready say mom e be bia
friend na no ba to nya akudo kan ko nkire say e bia obema e onya feeling kakra man nti twen on decide mama nkomra na o so twa man ko bae and o say
what dey tell dey oh kwame I'm sorry me come hu obema no na me hu dey ya me kwa na me fall man no o be kan kire wo sa
akomate ya asem say
ekuma dey 50-50
50-50
yes relationship 50-50 what me akom akoluzi what me akom akogeni
now Branty is still a girl na chi no what is wrong with them
me I can tell him say he's going to lose
okay
in the sense say even after what force your bana convincing na so mo ware wie no oban between the send the bi
obeka me e too much
yeah
don't do no for see ya ya at his age no obe feel say ya but onyimi kakra obeta say oh it wasn't even worth it at all
doing it
na ebe no wan say so almost separate
yeah
na say oba no koware no no so kokoware a sa oba na waware no obe say bidi na chi ebe no wan obe say bidi na chi na say sa oba no koware ya oware sa oba na nka de obe no obe fa na chi
be fa na chi enti dalali no so ne lady ni kra anware na okoware oba for kra na gan baba na edi ni so
I mean I make a
true sana okay
sana be because that is urban life
no
on tina fa ko
so these are some of the signs here more relationship na who say
yes.
One party is towing that line na e also to me twen ho ntem me nka so we dey okay me hu me kra me mpe no me ni kakra na me nko yade na wo fa ma wo ho
in fact they need to have an open mind mema no
tell them
have an open mind say as anamoy oni obey you to and only be you to mu pebuta bi sensi a adesua unya wo mo no fa into your next one become a better person but means na fa konuma because we obi this you and obey be decide we do and so you obi this na obey be decide we do and now
na daddy lumba kan deal esintu betina ho ema baba akwa jeje wa mo de akowom ema man pempem abesu we yase e dey na abege ni
na dey fast forward no
because no
na sense hwe youth e nice o mo wi na member so omusu ti get we get we na wa yesa ahu emma pempem su no na ma pempem su enti yes remo study the person and ask for Lord's wisdom for you to know the person. Niti munya bro Fred here, but there's so many things that nipa no eyi chere ebetimi am say ade we emwa, but we close our eyes to it. Thinking say we'll be able, we can face it, but you cannot. You cannot face it. Sweetheart, me pa cho ye be fa calls bio. Yeah, mami twa mo kom rane ye to aso ai. Me da I love you. Once again, salam alaikum. Ye mamu nyina akova and the mamu show Odo Ahomaso. Me sure say you're really enjoying the show. Who share contributions about it? I am an eye opener to you. It be a lot of doors and I mean advice is not about so no and yet easy. So Erico. Easy. Andrew power. Andrew, yes, me had it.
Kuba peso mudro.
All right. In fact, the calls are by Neno. It's serious and it's was said here. Now, you see, when they come out like this to come and say what is really hurting them, they didn't know. Well, they also 1 week in here. Imagine What ne Friday? It's okay, no, crowd try call name me I'm through. She had the whole life, ebe. But I'm sure, say, in some way I can't try no. A wake up call to him or any other person who is listening. I mean, take this opportunity. I mean, give us P power capsules for us say and on P co capsules. Yet must say global firm. Medress Tashi, the Royal study by Yet must papa VK Mr. Lucky here for Yet must say and I just black insecticide. Fly away fly killers and a fay coil no and insecticide spray no. Yet I'm going say, Memo mon names, don't worry, let's go. Mema aquabody board Odo Ahomaso. Hi Ben.
Yeah.
Me that's it. Ben Ofrefi.
Mboko.
And Coco for more to say.
Yeah.
It's a say dear and Coco a corner. I want to buy a ban. Ben yet you.
Bullet depending 1 year. Na one no funny. Na bueno no faba.
Mente.
What bueno no faba.
Hey.
Mente also a girl be on any of fanets here.
Yeah, no on a guy only be man that. Na be man no faba.
Only Bayman and that demo.
There's a cousin.
And so that is only a cousin and that demo.
It means in one affecting a obey them.
It's not a cousin.
That's him. Only be money. It's on to them. It's the control to be done. It's another cousin. This I'm going to be not what that's the and one kind of and then your cat waiting to be the and they be grown. I think where for me I get anything but when we find back.
Well, I need to just see. But I am said from the beginning, no, a baba wano, I want to change prano. One kind of crunch, no. Because one any what fancy. Now, no one on it, no, only will be soon at that time back. Say, any what fanny ba. And so, it's an inquire. Now, what did they share copy my hand, Quaku? I never will have one yaman in coal. But more can say, so a being go be brainy. Then I said, yeah, Raddy. So many ways to kill a cat in tea. You need enough for relationship on a I am why. Yeah, so anyway, we you. One anymore grassy.
Yeah.
One anymore grassy. I mean, kind YouTube as seminar young. Instagram. Bright Champon, take off on to say.
Oh, Yamia do one now.
Yeah, the Yamia say at the mamma papa. Any or dump on when ya na mo share na mo gusto fray. It must say. Pacha, it's you.
Yo, but your master say,
yeah,
many of habits tonight. Na me fear got jail. I imagine say never regular. Me got told your money na me no no study na. And me got told your money o kumasi.
Ah, obana kasa enka ho.
Obana kasa ka ho.
Oh, okay.
And me call e got told me dia say me be worry no.
Okay.
Along the line, and problem bam juma.
Oh, sorry.
The problem bam juma na what again I can say on to me na biam.
Wow.
In fact, man fun easy.
Fun easy.
Me
I want put them.
But ni nyina mo no na I was shame ho dey. Actually, you know, the be na ka kan get me some back. Say I feel the only me better. And me say na say okay yanko. Along the line, no san catch him so on him interview. I don't know kui. As I'm speaking, or san ba bim ko hu na sorry for my ever patch wa. Third time no, was san catch him so on him interview my imagine say me ne so kobi.
That's all.
And me mama yakoto na ye de be no ade. Na twin say obefa me man. Me so my imagine say me man me nkwati mfa nkwa ware. But me just say me man. Man fa ye rekam de be che me nua no. Ono so so mfa ne man mame. Mame, o sha etas mo ana.
As I work in the credit. me de ento asom kra na wo kasa baby no se asorefo ebe kasa ide no beka wo ho wo ba na ne wo ho otimi kasa bi ware bi enu agya wo kọ wo ba wo hwe se empratwe beka akoya wade na wakototo neama na wadwuma asai na watimi agya wo ho ti sa ba wo ye ware no enti asorefo ni ba no beka den kire wo
enti omo ba ebo omo ba on say meba hello
metio kasa
yeah then I how many say oh say Ghana mom emran be bre wa ha if you mom man if you me man e san say o hwema e o kasa wo jaina ana to kasa wo jina skike transfer na wo jaina o be catch so do be kokot ana so do be family kwan say wo we street that so that is why I considered and then Mr. Certain say okay I will study there for the third time.
Many about my tea. Miss Srow, I won't need you. Any other shimama mo show yourself an enina, yes, salutumina. Oh, ta ye corner. Yen penny for net to me, any part saying, Sir Nipan is one natural 6 years. Why any my infant I also on call, and also always any time. No, I could draw no between one quarter. Didn't the children go come somewhere? Say they will listen to her, they'll listen to you. No more boy, someone. They make what I say. Entina, go, Sunday market and get here, and many before so many at it. Remember, so be so many at it. Walk up and I said, I will cry, Bianu, and Yama, or when Yama will see, and that wouldn't dark, Robert Mietiaka. Tell me some more chamber when you and Penwa grown female. They make what I say.
Yeah.
Aha. Now, so your bar. Oh, Timmy, I mean, I worry by force of a no.
Yeah, by force.
And you by force. Now, super tan way. Or ban or call, or maybe don't call. Now, Sabi, I've been one hand a cry. No, it was so to me canish. Baby, I've been one in your only dinner or muscle sit dining table. So, no one saying, sweating home. Now the forking knife, and now the one Sunday bed, we are the summer about rolls. And see, I've been one hand a cry. You know, baby, I've been in the deal. The American wants to say, to woman in the home. Now, when you a dear in film, now, Mondo, I don't know. I don't know how to change your mono. And I find some mamma. Ah, most who say blesses, no anchor that. Meanwhile, or you must change skin to a you know, a man will be Janet, don't know fan cocots. Monchin plano, no moon a dear in film. We a dear in film, but also call you away. That is it.
Maybe I do hobby be a medium.
Maybe because so come, me, I can't. Was this one mamma who went me and me who said there was more damn or man and call. Now, wouldn't you now worry? Now, it's now sitting here, you may be one. Obey your ho, a bin no. I say, ye, me always hello. Hello, I say, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me always all.
Yo,
akpe.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mama Zimbi.
Yes, darling.
Yo, Jula.
Yo, enyo.
Mama Zimbi.
Yes, darling.
Mpachon percent bisase.
But my o TV volume nimra for my obi and load ma why?
Mpachon percent bisase.
Yeah.
So when you obi wo. That's what you can catch say. Ono o feel so we still with time. And you know, so when you be my for Dimechi.
Waka na kuma munsem actual.
Simple.
When
you're ready.
Well, say no, unsa ye yo. Because commitment be akọ.
yeah.
And on they be making for 17 years now. For 17 solid years now.
Yeah.
Still counting and me gusu eka at the end. Me gusu eka, I'm still marking time on those words. I haven't changed it.
Yeah.
Me one send line take away. Can be say for how many months ni kwa na a brantie ewa and kabeti. Sanko 6 years about 5 years. Tin.
Commandment ni say e say draws yes sir.
Shall draws.
And one share. And you to also car okay. So one share. Na so woman no ebomu a. So mu jaya on no ka.
That's all.
So we extend it be a financial help at the man. Abra say mo study mo ho. Wo hwe nipa ne suban. Every between to and am now to me extend this help man mu jaya.
But the help, if you can help the person. But we do it without writing anything down.
That's what I'm saying. This year now, no Casisiano. I know no Becca and say, Nipano say, so we will be a to me, Hako. It means on also dreams internet near Cosu, in Temune. Oh, they say, I can't say, come man, 1 year, and go when you'll be a
problem.
Exactly.
Well, you have nothing to lose.
Next time, I got you. Aha. Internet, I can say, this year I can't send extra raha. Mumbo, dear, some missy, I send a be a ride with me at me. Oh, they say, this year, rather unfortunate, say, I say never know.
I say,
no, could him.
Well, and the what she should also be happy, say. Bear man, it's me, I can't train.
Oh, yeah.
Better let them.
One man, I shower, dear man, son. And I say, Ube soon. Say 5 years, Martino, 3 years, Martino, we do freedom, pal. No, or Juju is Simukeke. Star Samuye, Nina. Abortion, and why you, and or new. And I say, and yes, Ube soon. There's hope. God is with you. You will open your baby beer. Because na me kwa me waste my time. Eh you move for amontie. Me to move for amontie. Me been for you to move for amontie. And I say if you want to cry, cry and just say okay, akpena me. Jo. Now so blewe. Now they are called ape.
Exactly. And this should help her mature.
O say
it should help this thing should help her mature.
Of course.
At least said na ya dey bia ya kan say enye relationship bia na ewie aware. Relationship na obe wure mu na entimi anko wie aware no e build o e to fin o. E ma usua lessons. Nti we na okoye na one be ma ne ko de die no mo ni ko sini ne ma no aduane ma no na e chiri obeka cho say I feel say me waste time into nya be ma bia na ne na akọ no. Next time so ko wura foforo mu a obema weni ada ho.
Yes.
Enya afi na obekọ akọ ni fie no akọ si ni nema. Na akọ jisika for you no crap odon de sika kra timi ko didwa. Na obe no aduane ma be ma no wedi no wesi ni nema ma no wi awase di na gu so. This time no obema weni ada ho nya sa. Nti de e ka no as I say omum di komutrim man especially de bia de American is set boundaries ma wo ba no. Be ma ne ba onim say ho ye no go area. What she say mra no me mmesi uniema me mba ofie ho no mo mma menu aduane me mma ho na oni me mma meda enema nkitingiti bo ho no ma o de show ho a be ma ne ho obu
but so self discipline no and na wonim de wo pa it is good to know where the person is staying.
Oh yes,
once a while
you just
when you go
through.
And oye washing no and you want to know one or two mami so the way see amano asa wako ne di amano also or no better. Key supposed to know. I'm not in. You see, you should have that discipline and say no. Because there's a rema. And if you train some nebano. And it's a one common hagel. One caught na ho, and one caught bedroom ho, and caught shaniama, ketenketia. A man, a cotton, sorry. No person be blue balls in Tino, or by our one for so. Twice I say. It's the end of my son can say. Men who bear many fear men call. Ubet me alcohol. Once a while, no, ubet me near Diane. Once a while, no, ubet me sin niama. But who could see Niama and near Diane no proper honey just say, oh, we are the honor bow nemo near new. And none of the problem never. Bear me beer or no, she not a dear memoir. Only who you are.
Right.
Now, once no better, or become Chaco di Mav from the letter. No, remember getting at it. And Mamma or Munina and Omani man from the beginning. But some woman found whom mano. Mani knew. Now we'll do let me wearing your dross. Now what shinoga feedy gadochi. So or no, yeah, leave that lady or leave that gentleman. It means that person is not truthful.
Yeah, but you see, one other fear, and say a man relationship no mono. Say be your setting the boundaries. No, on my bema no impression to think say ebia or the time no mom more fro. But rather there in the other relationship, rather to enjoy
yeah.
Bema no feel can say cheated.
Say or the time name bema
of course some date here. You can be talking to as many as because who share the best possible option. What I say?
But here we can't.
No, what I'm saying is
that's the issue.
Yeah, what I'm saying is So bano only be man relate.
Yes.
Na so what's at boundaries no. Oko be man once now in that while no. E bia ko boano unhu ne niam mu you know because agenda na say bia nyame adoma me ware.
Yeah.
Na say bia be man be so onu ye bibi. One penny o. But later on the man comes to find you in another person say only ye nyama na wo say. One and ye no.
So we jano na make eh.
Say na we jano.
Na make so you leave that relationship.
Na me pa bo no so say. So I say next person now or na brabo no.
Yeah.
Punish next person because of the previous relationship no.
Okay.
Na what I say.
But man in now.
Yes, of course. But unka say bia because
more punishing that person because of what she's gone through. What do you mean?
What I'm saying is nyama bia uye ma guy we.
Yes.
And joka to say on yes say bia obetunu atena na onye obi fofra otumi akono. One atofo no apple.
Yes.
Atra wonyansa. Okay. Next person now only relate no. Of course you're supposed to love that person because you actually looking for something better for yourself. What do I say? But on passion say bia first relationship guy o ka say bia o person o ye aduane na so person me aduane bre na that once in a while.
Eric my obi Andrew disappointed me. What share me o si akuma me do me ware o me say da be me ba ofie ma ba ofie o si me nsu aduane me say saadi we de ma ye bida o hia me pa se me nsu niama me aduane nua me ni bibia ye me ho ade na me nye ebe put Eric off. Is that what you're saying?
Ebia mo shia ebia 1 year na 2 years e chance am worry. Okay. Now me nim say ebia if you crowd msiesie ade crowd dem ho.
And ma ka say me ye me ye.
Oh me ba. Oh, it's just said and done.
But you can visit her as well.
Na me ba. Ma ba ofie. Me ba ofie na bia wonu aduane. E ma me di eso no. E na mo ofie no say adwuma me ye no. Time nim.
That's what
I say ebia wo you have my spare key. Mugo djuma nkra buta ba edu na da chef fridge no. O say why you be da wo previously no mpa na for instance no ye.
Okay. Enti e me ya mo ehun but then continuous.
Oh yeah, continuous, no problem.
All right.
But I'm saying that do not punish the person. Say then be say nima o ye ya into nipa no do see no parking into the next person no was to suffer for that thing.
Okay. And ye dey kan en one no. But the me so me e sure ne say wo ba ya ma no. But niama obaye belizi o kisi menya hwe me haye me yaye me se ne menye but manipa ni hu se wodi niama sie wonim dem siesie ye ka efie aduane a wonim noa wonim che se mani hu difference. Well, this time minim say my relationship no e ya no age oba ne ki ba ko na oba so gibe ma ne ki ba ko so you can go to the house while he's not there. No of siesie or no say me kitchen high shine me ho hey me bedroom na pillow ni you know. And then be you're tough. Be there or maybe there also no, I don't do that case. When we marry, no,
Yeah.
no, my family. It'll be all else of us who are pushing rules and you are serious about it.
And not be too dependent on the man.
That's all. Okay, this cow now give me this, give me that.
Yeah.
Give me this, give me that.
And no bet you.
Be on your own, right?
What the budget?
Okay, Miss Remo, lucky they may say other for lucky about for the diaba a medros tafepa a feminine cleanser. I be cleanse so not tight will say come on. Upe bia to a pharmacy drugstore bia e bi wo ho enti friend na see na copy bi into your pharmacy and then your drugstore 0243 2012 44 0277 46 58 55 0277 46 58 55 Lucky V Kermesha Omonames and I made it a mama we yo give us Herbal Center I give us P Power Capsules and I give us Coal Capsules e no tata hwe e mani member nyina nom eno ntinu pedudu etu a freyen e was 0543 22 24 70 and now say 0506 85 11 35 give us here na ni no no nam say Global Fam emergency tashi a shit times. Kojie, the man feel young and then rejuvenated. All the pharmacies. Kofodia sa, Kumasa sa, and a sinyane. And two baby a two. Na Udia go pharmacy now drugstore. Bomodia, so my friend Namasway. 0557 7060 92 0557 70 60 92 and answer 0246 0264 sorry 0264 40 39 81 and answer 0205 76 98 77 and answer 0547 79 66 23 Global firm at tight. You don't want to say someone so yes, maybe activate phone lines ni bio na wait to me afraid. But before that, no, Sikaba Morrison. I'll say hi, good evening. Men are born with polygamy, so they can't stop cheating and can never love one woman. Do you agree?
Some men.
No.
Some men. Okay, but he did not put some men there. He said men in general.
Generally.
So is it true?
No.
That you cannot love one woman?
You can.
You can.
You can love one
yes.
woman.
You can
can
love.
love.
Eric, can you love one woman?
Yes. You can
Are you
love
sure?
her. Yes.
So you love your wife alone?
She's the only one I love.
And she's the only one you have?
Yeah.
So in case, God forbid, calls her, will you marry again?
No, I don't. In fact, I've not really thought of that.
Thought of it. Start thinking about it.
But I think she's asking now.
I'm asking her, so start thinking.
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'll remarry. No.
Really?
No.
Okay. Eric, you are young.
Yeah.
And your wife is no more. She's no more. It's not going to be that you're going to cheat. You will have the opportunity to love again and to remarry again. And if you're not even lucky or you're blessed, you will love even her more than your past wife.
Yeah.
So God should help us. And let's give ourselves when it comes. I'm not saying so, but I know that's not what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But say, oh, you ewu, and now wu, only ho. Now, and now a child divorce aba. Now that's what he has, and you feel you want to marry, go ahead and marry. Sebe kafra penifone I can't hear. Say in sufa oba. I don't just want to be. Oh please. Opiane said your tear. Oh yes. Me want some ye but because me the benkum na there you love it more than the right. And I'm a you see. And you know, yes, the nipa na ha don't ye no so don. Na so ni at as fast as isu bio. Na so fele and now a jawa. O se me worry bio.
E ko me mo dem fili mom.
O say
me mo dem fili mom.
Won fili mom ho. Obia they make Kenya say me dey force you. But we are educating.
Yeah.
You know why?
No.
You see, Obia in a relationship, that's what call ya and sana. Okay, so let's get married. Okay, there's a conscious effort to actually.
Mami Tiaba, hello. You have all that I need. Abba from Mambo B to say. Sweetheart, hi. To say. Unfortunate. Abba, San Fred, be a while. Yo, Eric also. Oh, sorry, Andrew.
Yes, me say that a drew ya. Remember, I dream be one. Before I can say young warren, no, we do pepe so be the point of no return. Now, so help you God. Say, why you make a conscious effort to actually maintain
the person.
Yes. Now, Nipano, if I say, Yamia to say, friend. Say, Jumana, or committed at what age?
That's why, I'm saying at what age, and it doesn't matter. Yeah. But when you are young and you want to marry, and the same widowers and widows are, they said to themselves, say, I am not going to marry again. And they're fine. Nobody take that as your power.
You live with the memory.
That is your will.
Yeah.
We are not forcing you. But I'm saying as young as you are, and I can't divorce you.
Yeah.
Or someone worry you.
Okay.
Yeah, can't say will no why. Just go and marry.
Oh, the will there.
Of course.
So, no,
You just here for some more.
Yeah.
And hi, Mabel. Yeah, my about the bank Odo Ahomaso, sweetheart. How are you?
Oh, my dear.
You good?
Maybe sending a message.
Oh, what do you say? My she's the same. I see if it. All right. I know. Maybe I'll pray for you. Bema come. We are so Janiriana. We so je ni ba.
Oh, correct.
And I salute you. Say me so me police ni ba no. Okay, sweetie, it's you.
Me can be on na dey you.
Okay.
We worry. And that time I need it not only ejuma. After saying no, all follow ejuma kaka. And also person police. They dream is obey police. So okay. And try to live in a way never manner.
It's now a buano.
I'm try and I mean man or police.
Wow.
And see, all police and our friends say were bad for the medical. Not okay owing. And also watch mother. And then maybe that way. Or you sure so watch mother now. And what any free no can't say home.
I don't know. So doubt say no.
Because of you also medical no. Nah, baby also medical. Not maybe you go no. Also I tell so watch mother. Nah, I say maintenance.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I say call my friend now one day.
Okay.
And they call training and pass it out by.
Oh, really? And so all training, and I want to be in communicating.
Baby.
Wow.
I'll pass it out by another to be fair and say. Manchester or Ariana.
Oh, Jesus.
Baby, may say.
Yeah.
And I'll say, okay. And you can't say anything. Boy, not pass it out, but one is out the worry.
Wow.
No, we say, okay. If you one day I got enough friends, then I may say, baby or one. And I'm okay. So then baby or one, I'm okay. They said and don't send him his scanner number. And I'll send him his scanner and call.
Yeah.
I'll send him his scanner and go do it.
Yes.
And I'll say, oh, would you take or create more about I'm okay, fine.
And oh, Joe, of you.
And so, okay, when I'm very fast, I'm going to share the name one time of wedding season.
Hey, that is what I cry.
Why are wedding?
Oh, shit. Now, or invite you by a day.
My name is Joey, but
Anticoso, and to whom wedding sit down a day.
But we know, and I'm going spare me laptop and I'm a shake. Oh, why am I son? So, deny say, and yet you know your near wedding. And I'm going to say, only a wedding I would deny, or today we will need a wedding. And I'm see. It's not our particular view, and I'm Mrs. Sani, and I'm a copy in her. Not girl, our warrior.
Na no we na oko oba if you're not girl now why no way
girl ni kwa buche go ni kwa outside
and see also did you sleep over?
Yeah, so that.
Because no kwa ejuma that day all night until me make am no kwa ejuma ni pa the following morning
Obedi no
ma chen and I hear that
me agreement on again na
yeah me like akate safre bio yeah where do you say yes to one pen na ma say ni kon mini ne kran kwa na nka oja me ko dwam hu obekwa o metu me na bia sa pasu bless ma sesa na me dia show si da bia nuni brana baji shame on you video call na enti wutra se mani maybe I'll call back. And to what now money do you? And that overnight. And I'm sure or judge girl no. Say girl no crying you say nya wo dia. And you press that boy way back.
Oh be defended.
Code no. Code no.
Oh. Me say o san defended.
So you say no cry je be man.
To manifo. Na so to me manifo.
Opa just say
one minute yanko.
That be ade no what do you tua? Say ade ye dey do. Wo friend now say wo oh here was me watch motor now ni atman you cut the next minute I want to know because some more training now they are not allowed to be calling into
I know but they have days we can be able to me after and look when you so opportunity am friend when am an opportunity man here adwuma here
what you say now oba here no obati here no
obi ama wa de awie
okwa bi
asanko how can I walk me just position ko e demo ye opportunity yes say Emma, you just say.
Oh, didn't drop a zone on cancer today.
No. any boy, no any boy.
Kasa.
Say
the only friend say and you say kwanya boy dey. Mabel, don't go into that relationship. Don't. Go ahead. I'm a member position. Oh, there be advice. Kasa dinka kra. I'm on heat. Kasa.
Abrabo mo ba manya mema 100% ni ana. Mary.
Oze abrabo dey.
Omo ba manya mema 100% ni ana. Mary.
Andrew say abrabo eme binimu ne meme binimu ebo Nyankopon mema 100% no. Eni ana bisa wo ho. Odo Ahomaso ni me we see. Have a lovely weekend, be good and keep on wearing your drawers. Yeah. Keep on wearing your drawers because we love you more. Let's give it to them. We say a big thank you to my cameraman, my sound man, set designer, light, everybody, producer, Obi Biara.